What's good, UB2Bs? It is the next morning, or I guess my second day officially in this new apartment. I'm gonna show you guys where I slept and what it looks like. Not the most comfortable situation, but I'm glad that I at least have the couch with a mattress on it because I still do not have a bed. I did get pretty good sleep last night, regardless of circumstances, and I woke up feeling ready to go. Last night though, I did not fall asleep until about 2 a.m. Kept waking up and was just thinking about stuff that I needed to buy. I ordered a bunch of stuff off of Amazon, didn't have any shower hooks last night, so I had to shower with no curtain or anything. I still don't have any curtains, so it's just weird because I'll show you guys a video of what it looks like, but it's hard to sleep and stuff, feeling like, you know, everybody can stare at me while I'm sleeping, whether I'm in the living room or the bedroom. I actually did sleep in the living room last night. With all that said, guys, I just wanted to show you guys day 2, and I will be just kind of organizing my closet, getting all my shoes and clutter out of the way, and putting up all these extra bags because I have so many bags. I need to get rid of them. But let's just jump right into it. Put on my outfit of the day. Like I said, I have not had access to my closet in about 2 months. I kind of feel like putting on something that I haven't been able to wear in quite some time. See, it just does make a huge difference in being able to see everything essentially all at once when you're getting ready. I usually start with pants first. Today, I actually was thinking about a jacket that I haven't worn in quite some time, but I am gonna put the pants on first. These are a pair of jeans from Bershka. They do need to be taken in a bit. I haven't taken any of my clothes to the tailor. I typically don't really wear jeans around my waist like this unless it's a very specific pair of jeans, but these kind of sit below the hips like this. It's kind of where I like to wear them. They are a bit baggy. Oh no, I got these online actually. I got these in 31. They were big like this. Then I ordered the 30s and they sat so much tighter around my thighs and I remember they weren't as long and everything. Sent them back and got the 31s again, and the 31s, even though they are slightly larger on the waist, much better overall fit. I already have the white tee on, so we're not gonna mess with that. I typically just like to either wear just a plain white tee or Errands tee from Uniqlo. I actually didn't realize that it's still cold outside, so I do have to have a layer in between. It's still about 50 degrees outside, so I feel like this would go well with that jacket. Get rid of this do-rag, and I need a haircut so bad. But that is the fit. Let me finish it off. Throw that green snapback on. Like I said, guys, I feel naked without the chain. Belt. Now to figure out what pair of sneakers or shoes to throw on feet. I could just walk out with these slides on actually, because I'm literally just going not too far away to just get some work done. I'm gonna just stick with the Birks, Saint Laurent. I don't like to spray anything until I'm satisfied with the whole fit. keys, and I will see you guys over at the coffee shop. Finished editing at the shop across the street. I was there for a good like 3 hours. They closed at 5. Just gonna run to the bodega a couple blocks away. Got to pick up some things. It's a very specific brand of paper towels that I use called Viva. I don't know why, they just seem like they last longer, and I like the material better, and they just didn't have them at Target yesterday. That's why I'm gonna go run over there and pick those up. Also need to make a trip up to Vitamin Shop. I don't have any protein on me right now. I'm gonna just take the train. I believe it's only like 3 or 4 stops on the one train. Probably eat one more time before going to sleep, and then I do have work tomorrow. Not super excited about it, but I'm happy to be back in action here in the city. When I went to the coffee shop earlier, it was a little bit warmer than it is right now, so I did throw the weekday top coat on and put the loafers back on. So this is just the run to the bodega or hop on the subway fit.
I want you